Imagine you are sitting in a courtroom. The tension is palpable as the final words are spoken. The lawyers have finished their closing arguments, and everyone in the room waits with bated breath. A critical moment has arrived, but when exactly do the jurors step away to make their monumental decision? The jury officially begins its deliberations, and the process of reaching a verdict once all the evidence has been presented, closing arguments have concluded, and the judge has given them final instructions. This is the moment the judge charges the jury with their duty, signaling the start of their private work to decide the fate of the parties involved. This crucial phase begins because the court's public proceedings have finished. The jury needs a secluded space, often called the jury room, to review everything they have heard and seen. The judge's instructions are vital here, as they provide a roadmap for the jurors on how to apply the law to the facts they believe have been proven. Factors like the complexity of the case, the amount of evidence, and the number of charges or claims will directly influence how long this part of the process takes. Once in the jury room, the first step is usually to elect a foreperson, who will then lead their discussions and ensure an organized process. The jurors will carefully review all the exhibits, listen to reread testimony if requested, and engage in thorough discussions about what they believe happened. They then proceed to vote on each charge or claim, working towards a unanimous decision in most criminal cases, or a majority decision in some civil cases, based on the legal standards provided by the judge. A fascinating detail is that in some high-profile cases, juries may even be sequestered, meaning they are housed together in a hotel, completely cut off from outside influence, until they reach a verdict. This ensures their focus remains solely on the evidence and the law. Furthermore, the foreperson's role is not just to preside, but also to communicate any questions the jury has back to the judge, maintaining the delicate balance between judicial guidance and jury independence. Ultimately, the start of jury deliberations marks a profound shift from the public presentation of a trial to the private, careful evaluation of truth. It is a structured journey where each juror contributes to a collective understanding, carefully weighing all factors to arrive at a fair and just verdict that reflects the evidence and the law.